Hey guys, welcome to another video. Yeah, passed like 8 days from the last video, so I need to update my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's break down my strategy, my trades. Look at this entry here. Is clean shot, break retest and boom to the upside. Price reached the 4 hour and rejected like so well. You see? This is why I love this strategy. I love these zones. They are like very precise. Why price closed above this swing and just reacted like small drawdown and boom. Yeah, they are like very precise, and the moving average help a lot. So let's break down the trade. I will delete all my zones from today and let's go. So what I need to focus when I reach to the chart is I need to focus on the recent leg. So this candle is opened when I start analyze my chart, because this candle open at 6 and will close at 10. So I have like 30 minutes opened. So I can't classify this as a support because this is not closed yet. So, but yeah, what I need to do is focus on recent price action, and what I have here is the bearish leg, and I need to mark a resistance and a support at least. So as you can see here, we have a resistance. Okay, I will mark like this. Why? Because you know the resistance is formed by a bullish and a bearish, and support is bearish and a bullish. So in this case I have a bullish and a bearish, so I will do like this, and I include this wick here. Then so now I need my support. So when I was analyzing my charts, I just check left what's from the recent price action, and if I check to the left, I need to find like a floor. You know, like a support, and finally we reach here to a support. So I have bullish to bearish, and I have my support and my resistance. Okay, simple as that. So what we have here, trading range. Now let's go to the 5 minutes, because the 4 hour is just to mark the obstacles, the roadblocks. So yeah, if you watched my previous videos, you will know this part. Now about the 5 minutes is my entry time frame. As we can see, above the moving average we buy, below we sell. So basically my zones today was this zone here. Why? Because it's a resistance above the moving average. This zone here, I like to always mark from body to wicks, and this zone here, body to wick. And if I go to the left, I need to find if I have another zone after the midnight open. So midnight open is here, so I still have another zone, and will be body to wick. You know, these zones here for me, they are overextended. They are like too holds for price to react from. I don't like to do things from below the midnight open. Okay, so to the left, the midnight open. So basically this was my buy zones. Now I need to check the sell zones. So before the indice open, price formed this support, and we have another support here, as you can see. Yeah, so basically my trade was what, in this open with a huge momentum to the upside, was like so close to close above this second zone, but price just rejected this zone here and closed what, above this zone. Okay, so after price closed above this zone, I just set my limit on the retest of it. So it's the first break and retest of the session. 50 pips SL, 50 pips TP, break retest TP. You see, just in 2 candles. And was funny because the momentum to the upside was so huge that I saw this candle closed inside this resistance, not above, and next, and no top wick. As you can see, huge momentum to the upside today. The next candle was flipped like bearish, like so near to the break-even point or your entry point. And the same candle that was like so huge to the downside with a big bearish candle flipped in the last minutes and hit the DP. This candle was crazy. And you can see the precise of the zones, even the 5-minute zones. As you can see here, look at this. Why price rejected like here 3 times with a small zone? Why? Because of this resistance. And price rejected, and finally broke and made a retest again. But you can see here after price tapped the 4-hour, price rejected like so hardly and start consolidating. You see the precise of these zones? The 5 minutes and the 4 zones, this is crazy. So yeah guys, hope you understand the strategy. Is always the same thing on my videos, so it's very simple to understand. But if you watch like a repetition, like all the videos, you will start to get the strategy. It's very easy. It's not mechanical. You need like to analyze the zones, etc. I made like good filters to avoid like more fake outs. I still have fake outs, but with these rules I have like less fake outs. And yeah guys, hope you understand the strategy. Is very simple. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for me to see, okay, you guys want to see more videos about the strategy, so I will bring more. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video for me to see, okay, they like the video, so the video is good content, let me bring more. Okay, so yeah, if you want to join my Discord with my community, check the link on the description. You will have there a link to access my Discord, and we are trading together there. I share my zones there, etc. It's very good community. It's a small circle. So if you want guys to check it, is on the link of the description. Okay guys, see you to the next video.